Deep within the heart of Java, shrouded in the mists of time, lies a place of mystery. Candi, the Thousand Temples, whispers tales of a forgotten grandeur. This sprawling temple complex, with its crumbling walls and silent statues, beckons us to unravel its secrets. We are drawn to its eerie beauty, captivated by the echoes of a civilization long gone. The very air around Candi seems to hum with untold stories. The ground beneath our feet has felt the tread of ancient pilgrims, kings, and priests. What rituals were performed here in the shadow of these towering structures? What beliefs shaped these stones and imbued them with such palpable power? Candi is not just a collection of ruins. It is a living testament to the artistic genius and spiritual depth of the ancient Javanese. It challenges us to look beyond the veil of time, to connect with a past both magnificent and mysterious. Join me now as we venture into the heart of Candi, seeking to unveil the secrets hidden within its ancient stones. Our journey begins with the guardians, the imposing figures that stand sentinel at the temple's gates. These are the Dwarapalakas, fearsome protectors of the sacred space within. Their weathered faces, frozen in expressions of fierce determination, have witnessed centuries of history. They have seen empires rise and fall, religions flourish and fade. The Dwarapalakas are not mere statues, they are imbued with a palpable energy, a sense of watchful presence that sends shivers down the spine. Their massive clubs, held aloft in eternal vigilance, serve as a stark warning to any who would dare to enter with ill intent. Each Dwarapalaka is unique, its features carved with astonishing detail. We can discern the fierce curl of their lips, the intricate patterns of their armor, the bulging veins on their muscular arms. These details, preserved for centuries, reveal the skill of the ancient artisans and the importance placed upon these guardians. The name Candi is somewhat misleading. It does not refer to 1,000 distinct temples, but rather to the vastness and complexity of the site. Imagine a central temple, a towering monument to the divine, surrounded by a sea of smaller structures. These subsidiary temples, shrines, and pavilions stretch out in all directions, connected by a labyrinth of pathways and courtyards. This sprawling layout is no accident. It reflects the ancient Javanese belief in a cosmic order, a universe made up of interconnected realms. The central temple, representing Mount Meru, the cosmic mountain at the center of the universe, is the focal point. The surrounding structures represent the various realms and deities that populate this intricate cosmology. As we navigate this labyrinth of stone, we begin to appreciate the true scale of Candi. It is a microcosm of the universe, a tangible representation of the divine order. Every structure, every statue, every carving has a story to tell, a piece to contribute to the larger puzzle. Despite its grandeur, Candi is a place of profound silence. The air, once filled with the chanting of priests and the murmur of pilgrims, is now eerily still. The only sounds are the rustling of leaves in the wind and the occasional chirping of birds. This silence, however, is not empty. It is heavy with the weight of centuries, filled with the echoes of forgotten voices. As we stand among these ancient stones, we can almost hear the whisper of prayers, the rhythmic beat of drums, the joyous laughter of children. This juxtaposition of grandeur and decay, of silence and whispered memories, is what makes Candi so captivating. It is a place where the past feels tangible, where we can connect with the spirits of those who walked these grounds centuries ago. Section 5. A King's Divine Legacy. Candi is believed to have been built in the 8th century AD during the reign of the powerful Sailendra dynasty. These rulers, patrons of the arts and devout Buddhists, left an indelible mark on the landscape of Java, erecting magnificent temples that stand as testaments to their power and piety. The construction of Candi was a monumental undertaking, requiring the labor of thousands over many years. Massive stones, some weighing several tons, were quarried, transported and carved with astonishing precision. The result is a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the ancient Javanese. Candi was not merely a monument to the king's glory, it was conceived as a sacred space, a place of pilgrimage and worship. Here, amidst the soaring towers and serene statues, people came to connect with the divine, to seek enlightenment, to find solace. Section 6. Clues etched in stone. The walls of Candi Sewu are more than just physical barriers. They are canvases upon which the ancient Javanese etched their beliefs, stories, and aspirations. Intricately carved reliefs depict scenes from Buddhist mythology, tales of kings and heroes, and intricate geometric patterns that seem to vibrate with hidden meaning. These carvings are not merely decorative, they offer invaluable insights into the religious beliefs, social structures, and artistic traditions of the people who created them. We see depictions of the Buddha's life, his teachings, and the path to enlightenment. We encounter fearsome deities, celestial beings, and mythical creatures, each with their own story to tell. These carvings are like pages from a lost book, offering tantalizing glimpses into a world both familiar and profoundly alien. As we decipher their meaning, we begin to piece together a richer understanding of the people who built and worshipped at Candi Sewu. Section 7. The Breath of Decay. Time, as they say, waits for no one, and even the grandest of structures eventually succumb to its relentless embrace. Candi Sewu, once a shining beacon of faith and artistry, has not been spared the ravages of the centuries. The jungle, ever encroaching, has woven its verdant fingers through the stones, claiming the temple as its own. Earthquakes have shaken its foundations, and the relentless tropical climate has taken its toll. Stones have crumbled, carvings have worn smooth, and entire structures have collapsed under their own weight. Yet, even in its decay, Candi Sewu retains a haunting beauty. The sight of these ancient stones slowly being reclaimed by the earth evokes a sense of melancholy, a reminder of the impermanence of all things. Yet, there is also a strange comfort in knowing that even the grandest creations eventually return to the earth from which they came. Section 8. Reclaiming the Sacred Ground. The story of Candi Sewu is not just a tale of decline and decay. It is also a story of rediscovery, of dedicated individuals working tirelessly to reclaim this sacred site from the clutches of time. Archaeologists, conservationists, and local communities have joined forces in a monumental effort to preserve Candi Sewu's legacy for generations to come. The work is painstakingly slow and fraught with challenges. Each stone must be carefully documented, cleaned, and stabilized. Missing pieces must be identified if possible and reintegrated. The jungle, relentless in its growth, must be kept at bay. This is not just a technical exercise, it is an act of respect, a way of honoring the skill and dedication of the ancient builders. It is about ensuring that future generations will have the opportunity to experience the wonder and mystery of Candi Sewu. Section 9. Piecing together the puzzle. Every stone unearthed, every carving cleaned, every structure stabilized brings us closer to understanding the enigma that is Candi Sewu. Archaeological excavations have uncovered a treasure trove of artifacts, from delicate pottery shards and bronze statues to inscribed tablets and ceremonial objects. These finds offer invaluable clues about the daily lives, rituals, and beliefs of the people who inhabited this site. They help us to fill in the gaps in our knowledge, to piece together a more complete picture of the past. The work of understanding Candi Sewu is like assembling a giant jigsaw puzzle with many pieces missing. As at each new discovery, each inscription deciphered, each structure restored brings us closer to seeing the complete picture. Section 10. An enduring legacy. Candi Sewu, despite the ravages of time, remains a place of profound power and beauty. Its towering structures, intricate carvings, and enigmatic statues continue to captivate the imagination, drawing visitors from around the world. It is a reminder of the enduring legacy of the ancient Javanese, their artistic genius, spiritual depth, and profound connection to the cosmos. As we stand in the shadow of these ancient stones, we are reminded that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. We are connected to the past, present, and future, all intertwined in the intricate tapestry of time. Candi Sewu is more than just a collection of ruins. It is a living testament to the power of human creativity, the enduring allure of mystery, and the importance of preserving our shared heritage. It is a place where the past speaks to the present, and where the whispers of ancient stories continue to echo through the ages.